Indonesia, or officially the Republic of Indonesia, is a country in Southeast Asia and Oceania, known for its diverse and multicultural islands, famous beaches, volcanoes, and fascinating landscapes. It consists of over 17,000 islands, including Sumatra, Java, Sulawesi, and parts of Borneo and New Guinea. It is a presidential, constitutional republic and has 34 provinces, of which 5 have special status. With an area of around 1,904,569 square kilometers, Indonesia is ranked 14th as the largest country in terms of land area, and also the largest island country in the world. Jakarta is the capital and largest city. As of year 2020, it has a population of more than 270 million people, making it the 4th most populous country in the world. It is also the most populous Muslim majority country, with a religion account for 86.7% Islam, followed by Christianity at 10.72%, Hinduism at 1.74%, another smaller percent of Buddhism, Confucianism, and folk beliefs. There are about 1,340 recognized ethnic groups in Indonesia, of which the largest group is the Javanese, who make up about 40% of the total population. Indonesia has an interesting history. The Homo sapiens is believed to reach the region around 43,000 BC. Austronesian peoples, who form the majority of the modern population, migrated to other places in Southeast Asia. The first Europeans arrived in the archipelago in 1512, when Portuguese traders, led by Francisco Serrao, sought to monopolize the sources of spices in the Maluku Islands. Dutch and British traders followed. Indonesia was formerly known as the Dutch East Indies, or Netherlands East Indies. Although Indonesia did not become the country's official name until the time of independence, the name was used as early as 1884 by a German geographer. It is thought to derive from the Greek Indus, meaning India, and Nissos, meaning island. After a period of occupation by the Japanese during World War II, Indonesia declared its independence from the Netherlands in 1945. Its struggle for independence, however, continued until 1949, when the Dutch officially recognized the Indonesian sovereignty. In 1969, the United Nations acknowledged the western segment of New Guinea as part of Indonesia that the country took on its present form. Indonesia lies along the equator, and its climate tends to be relatively even year-round. It has 2 seasons, a wet season and dry season. For most of Indonesia, the dry season falls between May and October, with the wet season between November and April. The climate is almost entirely tropical, dominated by tropical rainforest climate found in every large island of Indonesia. More cooling climate types do exist in mountainous regions that are 1,300 to 1,500 meters above sea level. Rainfall varies across regions, with more in western Sumatra, Java, and the interiors of Kalimantan and Papua, and less in areas closer to Australia, such as Nusa Tenggara, which tend to be dry. The almost uniformly warm waters that constitute 81% of Indonesia's area ensure the land temperatures remain relatively constant. Humidity is quite high, between 70 and 90%. Forests cover approximately 49.7% of the country's land area. Indonesia's size, tropical climate, and archipelagic geography support one of the world's highest levels of biodiversity, and is among the 17 mega-diverse countries identified by Conservation International. Tropical seas surround Indonesia's 80,000 kilometers of coastline. It is one of Coral Triangle countries with the world's most innermost diversity of coral reef fish, with more than 1,650 species in eastern Indonesia only. The economy of Indonesia is the largest in Southeast Asia and is one of the emerging market economies of the world. It has mixed economy in which both the private sector and government play vital roles. As the only G20 member state in Southeast Asia, the country has the largest economy in the region and is classified as a newly industrialized country. Per a 2021 estimate, it is the world's 16th largest economy by nominal GDP, estimated to be at $1.159 trillion US dollars. The services are the economy's largest sector and account for 43.4% of GDP, followed by industry at 39.7% and agriculture at 12.8% as of 2018. Tourism in Indonesia is an important component of the Indonesian economy, as well as a significant source of its foreign exchange revenues. Indonesia was ranked at 20th in the world tourist industry in 2017. It is also ranked as the 9th fastest growing tourist sector in the world, the 3rd fastest growing in Asia, and fastest growing in Southeast Asia. In 2019, Indonesia recorded 16.10 million foreign tourist arrivals, seeing a 1.9% increase than that of 2018. The Travel and Tourism Competitiveness Report 2019 ranks Indonesia 40th out of 140 countries overall with Travel and Tourism Competitiveness Index score of 4.3. Indonesia is ranked at 7th place in the list of Lonely Planet's top 10 countries to visit in 2019. It is also ranked 4th out of the top 25 destinations in the world in 2018 by travel site TripAdvisor. Among the top tourist attractions in Indonesia are beaches of Bali, Borobudur, orangutans of Borneo, Gili Islands, and Mount Bromo.